Cooking Utensils Set by Oano offers a high-quality and versatile solution for your kitchen needs. Made from silicone and wood, this set is designed to withstand high temperatures and provide durable performance for a variety of cooking tasks. The khaki color of the utensils adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor, while the large size of the set ensures you have the right tool for every cooking job. With product dimensions of 14L 4.5W, these utensils are easy to handle and store. While the handle material is wood, it is important to note that this set is not dishwasher safe. It is recommended to hand wash these utensils to prolong their lifespan. Manufactured by Oano, this silicone cooking utensil set is ASIN B07 TTP2SP6 and has gained popularity with a positive rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 14,348 customer reviews. It is ranked as #919 in kitchen and dining and #7 in cooking utensil sets, showcasing its quality and popularity in the market.
Silicone cooking utensils set for kitchen. The Silicone Silicone Cooking Utensils Set for Kitchen is a versatile and durable collection that offers great value for both novice and experienced cooks. With package dimensions of 13.23 inches, 4.29 inches, 3.54 inches, and an item weight of 2.07 pounds. This set is convenient to store and handle in any kitchen environment. Manufactured by Silicone, a reputable brand known for quality kitchen products, these utensils are designed to meet the needs of everyday cooking tasks. The set comes with essential tools such as spatulas, ladles, tongs, and more, making it a comprehensive solution for various culinary requirements. With a solid customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from 516 reviews, this set is widely appreciated for its performance and reliability. It is evident from its bestsellers rank of #890 in kitchen and dining, and #6 in cooking utensil sets, that this product has gained recognition within the market. Overall, the Silicone Silicone.
Right. 3-piece silicone utensil set. Spatula is a versatile and high-quality kitchen tool that will elevate your cooking experience. Made of premium silicone material, this set in a charming mint color is both durable and stylish. The 3-piece set includes essential utensils for everyday cooking tasks. The BPA-free construction ensures that these utensils are safe for you and your family. Additionally, the silicone handle provides a comfortable grip while using them. The dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning up a breeze, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. With package dimensions of 13.15 inches, 3.27 inches, 1.89 inches, and an item weight of 12.6 ounces, this set is compact and easy to store in your kitchen drawers or utensil holder. The manufacturer, GIR, is known for producing top-quality kitchen tools, and this set lives up to that reputation. Whether you are a casual home cook or a culinary enthusiast, the GIR 3-piece silicone utensil set is a
cooking utensil. Set by Fungan is a handy addition to any kitchen, boasting a total of 24 pieces in a stylish blue color. Crafted from high-quality silicone and stainless steel handles, these utensils are designed to be durable and long-lasting. With an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 9,213 ratings, it's clear that customers are impressed with the quality and performance of this set. The set includes a variety of essential utensils suitable for various cooking tasks. While the silicone cooking utensil set is not dishwasher safe, it is easy to clean by hand thanks to the materials used in its construction. The package dimensions of 14.84 inches, 5.43 inches, 5.39 inches, an item weight of 3.34 pounds make it a convenient and practical choice for everyday use. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this set is sure to meet your cooking needs. Ranked #8, 758 in kitchen and dining and #40 in cooking utensil sets, this product has quickly become a favorite among CY.
5-piece silicone utensil set. Ladle is a high-quality kitchen tool designed to elevate your cooking experience. Made with durable silicone material in an elegant mint color, this 5-piece set by GIR is a perfect combination of style and functionality. Each utensil in the set is designed with precision to meet the needs of both professional chefs and home cooks. With product dimensions of 12.3 L 2.5W, and a lightweight of 1.48 pounds, the GR Silicone Utensil Set is easy to handle and store. The dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you more time to focus on creating delicious meals. The silicone handle offers a comfortable grip, ensuring a pleasant cooking experience every time. Manufactured by GIR in the USA, this utensil set guarantees top-notch quality and durability. The item model number, Girdle 5, up 180 MNT showcases the brand's commitment to excellence. Customers have rated this product 4.5 out of 5 stars, reflecting its PAPU.